Welcome to our video of the ZMR 750A made by Seamark. This is a nitrogen capable machine that runs on compressed air or nitrogen. We're going to do a removal of a chip from this computer board. We have it in place. We can either hold the boards by the jaws here, or on odd-shaped boards we can hold them by the edge of the board or by the tooling holes. There we go. Put that in there tightly. So what we're going to do is, this is a removal profile, so we're going to go to our screen here and click on disassembly for removal. We've already set up our heat profile. So the rigid system comes out. We can line our component, which is in gold, into the nozzle, which is in blue. You can see our pickup tube here in the center is over the die. We fine tune our adjustment here. That's good. We can adjust our line. We want to make our pickup tube a little bit bigger so we can see it there. Okay, so we're centered into the nozzle. If we want to look at our profile, we can go over here and we can look at the heat parameters. This is our profile. We're using a 5-stage profile with the peak reflow heat of 280 C, a ramp of 1 degree per second. We're ready to start, so we'll put location confirmation. We can turn on our external lights. Now this is a computer controlled machine versus a touchscreen with PLC. So with the computer controlled machine, it'll save all the profiles that we run, and you can do more in-depth profile analytics with this type of machine that uses a industrial computer. Right, and we can watch on the screen here. Tells us what we're doing. We have our upper heater temperature, our lower heater temperature, our infrared, and we're just using one external thermocouple to monitor down by the chip here. And you can use up to 7 thermocouple inputs on this machine. So we're going to let this profile run through. When the profile's done, I'm ready to remove the chip. We'll come back and show you how the chip is removed. Okay, so we're approaching near the end of the profile. The profile here, we're around 280. It's going to hold it for 30 seconds. Our external thermocouple's at 235. Let's remove our chip. It's going to place it into the upper nest. After the cooling cycle, I'm going to place the chip in the upper nest. It's waiting for us to confirm that we took the BGA out of the upper nest. There we go. We'll click BGA remove is confirmed here, and it'll go back to home position. And that's our demo for BGA removal on the ZMR 7850A nitrogen capable BGA Rework station by Seamark.